These days, I feel like you can't have enough mocktails in your repertoire. So here are 4 easy non-alcoholic drinks to make at home. What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.com, and if you're new to the channel and a lover of all things cocktail, I'm going to ask you to hit the subscribe button right down here and click the notification bell so that you never miss a new video whenever they come out. Only takes 2 seconds and is one of the best ways that I can help you cocktail grader. Now full disclosure, if while you're watching the video the names of these drinks don't seem like they have any rhyme or reason to them, quite frankly it's because they don't. I am great at making cocktails and coming up with drink recipes. I am terrible at naming them. So one of the things that I do is I brainstorm names, and whenever a cool name pops into my head, I write it down. And basically in this particular instance, I had a list of names, had some drinks, and then I just kind of threw them together based on what I thought fit onto the drinks. So the first non-alcoholic drink we have is called the World's Smallest Violin. Now to make the world's smallest violin, you're going to go ahead and grab your shaker and then go in and add 1 ripe kiwi. Go ahead and give that a good muddle. Then you're going to add 3/4 ounce of lime juice, 1/4 ounce of mint syrup. Go ahead and throw some ice in there, give it a good shake, then fine strain that into your Collins glass. Add about 2 ounces of ginger ale with some crushed ice. Garnish it with a lime wheel or a mint sprig if you have it. The world's smallest violin. Next up, we have one that I call the Boogie Bomb. Now to make the Boogie Bomb, the first thing you're going to do is grab a stick of cinnamon and go ahead and start to flame it. Once it starts to smoke, go ahead and put your rock glass over it so that it can capture all that delicious cinnamon smoke in there. Next, you're going to grab your shaker and you're going to go ahead and add 2.5 ounces of mango nectar, 3/4 ounces of lime juice, and 1/2 ounce of ginger honey syrup. Give it a good shake with some ice. Then you're going to dirty dump that into your pre-smoked glass, express a little orange oils over it, and you're all set with your Boogie Bomb. Next up, we have one that I call Truth Be Told. And to make your Truth Be Told, the first thing you're going to do is prepare your garnish. You're going to take a 1/2 slice of blood orange and grab your torch and caramelize some sugar on top of it. Once that's done, go ahead and set that in the fridge while you make the rest of your drink so that the sugar can harden. Then you're going to go ahead and grab your shaker and you're going to go ahead and add 46 mango chunks and 3/4 ounces of lime juice. Go ahead and give that a good muddle. Then you're going to add 2 ounces of blood orange juice and 3/4 ounces of your honey and ginger syrup. Add some ice, give it a good shake. Then you're going to go ahead and fine strain that into your rock glass. Add a little bit of crushed ice to it. Top it off with 2 ounces of sparkling water. Fill it with more crushed ice. Then you're going to take your pre-done garnish and place it on your mocktail. And there you have it, truth be told. And finally, for our 4th mocktail, we have one that I like to call First Class. Now to make your First Class mocktail, you're going to go ahead and grab your shaker, add 6 to 8 basil leaves in there, give them a good muddle, and then you're going to go ahead and add 3/4 ounce of lime juice, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, and 1/2 ounce of agave nectar. Add some ice, give it a good shake, then you're going to fine strain that into your rock glass. Fill it with some more crushed ice, garnish it with some fresh basil leaves, and there you have it, First Class. And those are my 4 new mocktails. Go ahead, give them a shake, try them out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Now, if you're looking for programs and tools to take your bartending skills to the next level, go ahead and head over to Barprints.com and check out what we have over there. If you found this video helpful, and I really hope you have, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends. Only takes 2 seconds and helps the channel out way more than you know. And for more recipes and bartending techniques, don't forget to check out these videos right here. Thanks a lot for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.